All right, Neil deGrasse Tyson. He is a science communicator and a well-known astrophysicist. And from biography website aboutspace.org, Neil deGrasse Tyson was born on October 5th, 1958 in New York City. He grew up in the Bronx and was educated through the public school system from 72 to 76. His love for astronomy began at a young age of 9 after his first visit to the Hayden Planetarium. He had an obsession with astronomy and at an early age made a name for himself in the astronomy community when he gave lectures at universities at the age of 15. Even famous astronomer Dr. Carl Sagan heard of his young man's passion and sought out to him to invite him for undergraduate school at Cornell University. But Neil deGrasse Tyson decided to attend Harvard and major in physics, and then postgraduate school at the University of Texas, and then acquired his Master of Philosophy in Astrophysics at Columbia University in New York. And Neil deGrasse Tyson was involved in school athletics such as rowing, wrestling, and dancing, which does not meet the normal criteria for a scientist, if you ask me. And from the Hayden Planetarium website, because of his love for astronomy, his research was largely focused on stellar evolution, which is the stages a star goes during its lifetime, cosmology, which is the study of the origins and the eventual fate of the universe, galactic astronomy, which is the study of our own Milky Way, and stellar formation, which is the formation of stars. His career in science has allowed him to hold positions at the University of Maryland, Princeton University, American Museum of Natural History, and the Hayden Planetarium, which was the first planetarium he went when he was 9. In 2001, he was appointed by President Bush to serve on a 12-member commission that studied the future of the U.S. aerospace industry. Their work contained recommendations for Congress that would promote a thriving future for transportation, space exploration, and national security. And again, in 2004, he was appointed again by Bush to serve on a 9-member commission that implemented the United States space exploration called Moon, Mars, and Beyond. The group navigated a path by which the new space vision can become a successful part of the American agenda. And continue on from biography website, biography.com. Neil deGrasse Tyson has many honorary degrees and public service medals, and was voted in Times Magazine as one of the 100 most influential people in the world. Also, in 2000 People Magazine's sexiest astrophysicist alive. Neil deGrasse Tyson also has dozens of publications and continues to write for the public. And being a popularizer of science, he has also made several television appearances. Most recently in Stargate Atlantis, The Big Bang Theory, and The Daily Show with Jon Stewart. Neil deGrasse Tyson has also assisted DC Comics in selecting a star which would best match Superman's home planet Krypton. But if you don't recognize anything about this man that I'm describing to you, you at least know one piece of his work. He was part of the committee that killed the planet Pluto. He's the reason why there are only 8 planets in our solar system now and classified Pluto as a dwarf planet. Neil deGrasse Tyson continues to be an influential role in the science community and to me personally, and I hope you learned something.